Collection called Candace.
So,
Drifting Gold.
this is Candace's sister, Alexia.
I actually was thinking gold black.
Alexia.
Come here, keep it.
The Tahjay Couture Gold Luxe Collection. It sounds fancy, doesn't it?
Super fancy.
Sounds like some Versace type shit. But this is affordable. That's why it's better.
Yes, that is true. We're all here for your prom and special occasion.
Just move, man. You're doing too much now. Enough is enough. Whatever. Hey, this, alright, sweetie. Okay, sweet up from the feet up. Alright, you gonna say hi to the camera? Took too long. It's not hiding this by. I'm joking. I'm joking.
I hate her.
Okay, do a full 360. Cup on the body. Why? All right. So, can you tell us what you're wearing tonight to the red carpet?
Tahjay Couture.
Oh my God, Tahjay Couture. Okay. And you thought I wouldn't catch it. The pendant's a little trap. Can you tell us what you're wearing there? It looks like Tiffany and Co. What is it?
This is a baby chain, so I don't know where it's from.
Okay, well, if it's a baby chain, that means it's real gold, sis. Sis is dripping everywhere in gold. Look at that. Gold Luxe for sure.
This is hard, but this is the visual. This is my little home studio setup thingy. Got my camera right here. Shooting with 5D Mark III, 24-70. Yeah.
So this is my favorite person, one of my favorite people. His name's Darren, aka Darren the Cut. Wagwan. Tell them what we're doing today.
You're getting really comfortable with this vlogging thing.
Alright, so basically, because I speak sign language, what he just said is he's gonna take photos for, okay, those look like some crypt signs, and then, okay, so he's gonna take photos for the gang. Nice. So how are you feeling today, sis? Like, you know? Oh, hungry? Well, you know beauty's pain. You can't eat in those dresses. I saw it, girl. But you look sweet, though. So, I missed you. And you're so pretty. You know. Did you miss me too? Okay, so this is why you're not getting no screen.
You bend up your knees and drop. Wine slow motion on the thing, then stop. Me know I got the things on lock. Watch me move my hands on you like the hands on my watch. Yeah, take time when you dip that. Take time with the licks, yeah. Cup full of Henny and I never mix that. So make sure that you sip that. Yeah, I do the things that you say you want from me. You do the things that I say I want from you. The way that we make, girl, it happens so naturally. You got what I want.